many times na na-invite ako sa mga business opportunities. And yung mga meetings, business opportunities, meetings, many times ako na-invite noon. And I've been a few, but never ko na-experience na mag-succeed sa ganun. So, maybe I'm just not equipped for it, or iba lang talaga yung hilig ko when it comes to making money. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe? Sure. Like this video? Okay. This is season 2, story time with Mr. Green. So yun na nga, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung naging experience ko sa ganong meeting. One time, there's one meeting na nag-stand out sa akin. And what I mean by standing out is may nangyari dun sa meeting na yon na kakaiba, and it happened to me. Sa akin mismo, kaya hindi ko makalimutan. And I am sharing it with you kasi it's a very unique experience. And to tell you honestly, it's a bad experience. So back in 2010, I was in between jobs. And I've been looking for a new job. Siyempre lahat ng pagkakakitaan, I'm gonna try it. And my previous job, yung isang kaibigan ko, he asked me to come with him to this meeting. And that ended up to be that meeting na i-record ako sa inyo yun. That time, I was out also of the first church that I've been here in Canada nung dumating kami. And it turns out yung crowd na yon is from that church, my previous first church. So matagal-tagal ko na rin silang hindi nakita. And some of them remember me, some of them don't. That's okay. So, yun na nga, na-mention ko kanina na I have been to a few meetings na katulad nito. And, lo and behold, I was right. It was very similar to the other meetings that I have been. Pero, iba yung product na pinopropose nila. It's not exactly a product, pero yun na rin yun. Naintindihan niyo na yun. Anyways, shy type kasi ako eh. Tahimik. And hindi pala sagot. So next. So ito na nga, the meeting happened and there's a speaker. Lamig. And the speaker was, I think, siguro mga 10 minutes siyang nagsasalita na, presenting the business opportunity. And she pointed at me, babae yung nagsasalita. She pointed at me and she asked me, what is your dream? You, what is your dream? Gumanon sa akin, diba? Nagulat ako. Of course, I was, I'm not prepared to say anything na, di ba? So, at that moment, hindi ako kagad nakasagot. Hindi ako nakasagot. And I basically froze up. So, and then, in the crowd, yung sa audience, may sumagot. Ito sinabi, maybe he has too many drinks. And when I heard that, two things went into my mind. I'm angry, and the audacity of this person na magganon. Kasi, nung sinabi niya yun, sabay tawa. So, implying that she's mocking me of not talking about my drink. Funniest thing when she said that, you can still hear her accent. Naisip ko right away na this is not worth it. Kung may mga ganyang klaseng tao na makakasama mo sa isang business that will potentially make you money. And to continue, hindi ako nakasagot doon sa tanong kasi na-interrupt na ng ibang tao yung presenter. Kaya after ng presentation, hindi na ako nagtagal. Hinatid na ako ng kaibigan ko sa malapit na SkyTrain station and went home. To follow up, hindi na rin ako umattend ulit. May tendency kasing paulit-ulit ang presentation sa ganitong setting. But, out of curiosity, ano nga ba yung sagot ko sa tanong na yun? Well, I'll let you in on a secret. Mali si ate dun sa sinabi niya. I didn't have dreams. I have lots of goals. Also, if I had the chance to tell her what ran through my mind that time, ano ang sasabihin ko sa kanya? My answer will be simple. Nothing. Kasi nag-assume na siya. One last thing, yung business opportunity na yun is for an insurance. Wala akong alam yan. Pero maraming tao na may kakilala ako. And they will do it for me. Instead of I'll be the one doing it difficultly. Kayo mga ka-birthday, tatanungin ko, naka-attend na rin ba kayo sa ganyang meeting? If so, ano naging experience nyo? Anyways, ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, kung may mga ganyang klaseng tao, huwag nyo nang patulan. Dahil baka marindi lang kayo. Anyways, this is Mr. Green, signing out. Thank you for coming again to my story time. Sa inyong pakikinig. And don't forget to like and subscribe.